Hi guys, Kevin here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how and why you should hill your potatoes. And the potatoes behind me are the ones that I planted about 3 weeks ago. And I filmed that video for you, so if you want to watch it, I'll post a link to the video in the description box below. Meanwhile, let's get to work. Potatoes are formed along little stems or stolons. And those stolons will only appear on parts of the plant that are buried underground. And the more you can bury the plant, the more potatoes you will have. So my potatoes are planted, I think I planted them about 6 inches underground. And as you can see, they've grown, they're about 6 to 8 inches tall now. So I'm going to hill them so that more of the vines are underground, and hence I will have more stolons. Now you can use soil, you could use grass clippings, you could use weed-free straw to hill your potatoes. Whatever you use, you want to bring the soil or whatever material up over the plants so that only about the top 2 to 6 inches of vines are exposed. And I'm using this metal rake because it's very easy to work with. And I'm just digging a trench down the middle of this bed. And that's giving me the soil that I will need to hill the potatoes. Now, an even easier way to hill the potatoes is with weed-free straw. And what I have here is a bag of tightly compressed straw, and you simply mound the straw in about a foot wide diameter all around the potatoes. And I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'll fix the camera in a moment. Now, the other reason you want to hill the potatoes is because the stolons tend to form very close to the surface of the soil. And if any sunlight hits those potatoes, the potatoes will turn green. And green potatoes, as you probably know, are not good to eat. They can make you sick. So by hilling the potatoes, you create the shade that the stolons and the tubers need so that you have no green potatoes and you end up with a much larger harvest. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you're in the mood to do so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have many more gardening and cooking videos to share with you. And that's all for today. Bye for now. Oh, one final thought. Years ago, I used to build a frame around my bed to hold the excess soil or whatever my hilling material was. But it turns out you really don't have to. Once the soil or the straw or the grass clippings, whatever you're using to hill your potatoes, once that material gets wet, it will not blow away. Okay, again, hope this video was helpful to you and not too long. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.